Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, my name is Cheyenne. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be revealing my walk-in closet that I've been working on. The system behind me is from Ikea. It's the Ikea Pax system. Basically, in this video, I'll just be showing you guys the ins and outs of getting this room together. And it was worth it. When I tell y'all it was worth it, it was worth it. It took me about a month and a half to complete and get everything done the way I want it. I still have a few things that I want to add to it, but nothing major. But yeah, so if y'all have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. I've tried to put everything in the description box. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to get this look or achieve this look, Ikea is definitely the way to go instead of hiring somebody, a contractor to come in doing built-ins and everything like that. Unless you got it, you know what I'm saying? We got them stimulus checks, so people might think, you know what I'm saying? Spin a bag, sis. Nah. Yes. If you want to see my closet, come on, see my closet. See my closet. Okay, so this is the final look of the built-ins, the Pax system from Ikea. It's super dope. This comes out. This comes out. Yes, I had a little clothes in there. Don't mind me. I was too excited. It's coming along. Super dope. Okay, so this is the damage. Let's get started putting this stuff up. And yes, and here is an additional like walk-in closet area. I did start putting my shoes up. I didn't film myself putting those up, but they're up. I went and bought, this is from Ross. This is from Ross. If you can see my little vanity chair, that's from Ross. I got these super cute velvet hangers. I think they were from TJ Maxx, but they match, so I got those. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, I put this up as well. I got this from Burlington. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so good morning. It is setup day. So we're about to, I kind of got everything pre-staged that I want to set up, so I'm not in here like all day. But yep, so I'm about to basically set up, hang up all my clothes, put everything how I want. So come on, follow along.